Hi everyone, I wanted to show you a fantastic new option that's offered through the marketing tab within eBay. It allows you to send out coupons, a public coupon to anyone you specify. It could either be everybody or it could be a select group of people, and you can target these coupons towards those individuals to drive sales. Now I did one yesterday. It was just a one-day term, and that's what I recommend you do as well. Just set it up for a one-day term so that there's that sense of urgency out there. And what I did is I put one out there that was 20% off, and I selected a handful of categories to start this out, just to test it. And I wanted to show everyone the results that I saw immediately in that one day. Here's a screenshot from yesterday. We had 8 sales, just short of $400, which is a pretty good day. But what I wanted to show everyone was the impact of this new couponing system which I used. Here you go. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 8 sales came through this coupon that I created called Sold with Extra 20% Off with Coupon Promotion. So let's head over to the Marketing tab within eBay, and I'll show you how to set this up. Okay, here we are on my eBay Marketing tab screen. You just click right here where it says Marketing, and you'll see the options, Summary, Promotions, Buyer Groups, which is something new as well we could discuss, Advertising Dashboard, and Subscriber Discounts. What I want to do is select right here, Create Coupon. And I had used coupons in the past with very little success. This is a different type of a coupon. It's a coupon that goes out to a whole group at once as opposed to individual orders. And then we'll slide over to the right where it says Create a Promotion and select this new option, Coupon. And here's where you can get into some detail. You can see how they have it set up initially. What I'm going to do is you need to come up with a unique name, and this is pretty important because if one is already used, it's not going to allow it. So yesterday I used this one, Jiminy1, as my coupon code. We're going to change it today to Jiminy2. And then this is just for myself. This is something you can see. It says it won't be visible to other buyers. I'm just going to put in today's date, which is 5/18. 20% is what we're going to do off coupon. And then down here is that option, which is very powerful, which I'm going to use, Public Coupon. Anybody who finds this coupon on eBay can use it. I'm going to leave that ticked. And this is all totally up to you how much you want to offer, if you want to do a volume level discount. But to keep it simple, because it was successful for me yesterday, I'm going to repeat the same thing I did with a one-day coupon, create that sense of urgency. I'm going to do 20% off. If you want to put any limits within your coupon, if you want to say that somebody can only save $100, can save $1,000, I'm going to keep this right here at $1,000, which means if somebody maxes out at $1,000, I'll be very, very happy. Then there's a maximum redemptions per buyer, which again, I'm going to have no limit on there. You could see that you have the option to put an item count limit on that, but I'm going to leave it no limit. And here's a very important field right here, item eligibility. For my purposes, I'm not going to do all inventory to 20% off because we have some higher priced items that I really don't feel like giving away for 20% off. However, what you can do is click on this, and then you can choose a specific category within eBay, a specific category within your own store, or just choose select items. I'm going to go ahead and go to the store category. Then you go over here on this blue hyperlink and click choose categories. This is going to bring up in the instance of my store all of my different store categories. Now I'm going to select my famous print ads, of course, and then all of my print ads will be offered at 20% off. And that's pretty much, if I was to get some watchers and send it off to a watcher, I would usually do a 20% discount. And this is just a proactive way to initiate that 20% off across the entire field of print ads. So I'm going to select that. I'm also going to select my sheet music category today. And then finally, I'm going to select my Disney items. So you can see I've selected 3 categories. And here's on the right side an even more powerful tool. Let's just say you don't want to apply this coupon to anything under $10. You could put that price range in there. But in this instance, I'm okay with the items that I have in this categories I've selected. But it's a nice option to be able to go in and drill down a little deeper. So that's it. I'm going to include these 3 categories. Let's hit Include Categories. And you can see there's a summary right here. Public coupon, 20%, $1,000 per buyer. Unlimited applies to the select 3 groups that I selected, which are right here. Apply coupon, print ads, sheet music, and Disney. It starts right away, and you can see they have it scheduled to end on June 8th, which is about 3 weeks from now. I want to create that sense of urgency that I've mentioned several times. So I'm going to go in and backdate this and just do it for a day. Today is May 18th, so I'm going to go through May 19th, and this is Pacific time, which is 3 hours behind me, but I'm going to set it up right till the end of tomorrow. So really it's a 2-day, and now this coupon is good between this morning, as I record this, it's 8:39 in the morning, all the way until 11:30 tomorrow night Pacific time. You also have an option to select a photo. I don't know how important this is, but I'll put Mickey and Minnie. You can't go wrong with those two. And if you wanted to do this, you can put in a description, and this is something that your buyer will see. So I'll put in limited time offer, save 20%. There you go, nice and simple. Limited time offer, save 20%. You can see what the preview is going to look like right here. And now that I have that set up, I'm going to launch the coupon. Right there, Jiminy 2 has launched, and now let's see if we have the same level of success that we had yesterday. I was very excited. It was the first time I tried it yesterday, and the very first day we had 4 sales using this option. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if it works for you. If you need any assistance with setting this up or have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Give a big thumbs up to this video if you enjoyed it, and please, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. I really appreciate everyone taking their time to view the video. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye-bye.